In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature in DocuSign. 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into your DocuSign account in a web browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your user icon. Click it and choose Manage Profile. This takes you to the settings area where you control your personal details and how your signature appears on documents. On the left-hand side, open the Signature section. This is your hub for everything related to signatures and initials. Here, you'll see any existing signatures you've saved. If you want to update one you already use, click Actions and select Edit. If you'd prefer to keep your current one and create an additional option, choose the Add New button. Having more than one can be handy if you use different versions for different teams or regions. Just remember you can set one as your default later when you sign. Before you change the look of your signature, confirm that your full name and initials are displayed correctly. These fields are what appear on documents, so make sure they match your legal name and the initials you want to use. If you see a typo, fix it here so your new signature reflects accurate information. Now, choose how you want to create it. You can select a pre-made style, draw your signature, or upload an image. The pre-made styles are quick and clean, and they're designed to look professional. If you draw, use a mouse, trackpad, or stylus, and write naturally at a steady pace for the most authentic result. If you upload an image, aim for a clear, high-contrast file, such as PNG or JPEG, with a transparent or white background. Avoid shadows and busy backgrounds, and crop out any extra space so it sits neatly on documents. If your organization has branding or compliance guidelines, align the look of your signature with those expectations. When everything looks right, click Create to adopt the new signature. DocuSign will save it to your profile and use it automatically on documents you sign going forward. Previously completed documents won't change, and any in-progress envelopes will show your new signature the next time you sign. You can return to this page anytime to switch between saved signatures, update your initials, or refine the style. If you don't see the option to edit, your account might have admin controls in place, so check with your organization. That's all you need to confidently change your signature in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and you're ready to sign with a refreshed, polished